Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make Chex cereal treats. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. You guys ready for some cereal and milk? I mean, the cereal is coated with marshmallow and the milk is milk chocolate, but close enough, right? It's a super easy recipe that anyone can make, so let's get to it. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own Chex cereal treats, along with suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 4 cups of mini marshmallows, 4 cups of Rice Chex, 2 cups of Corn Chex, 2 cups of Wheat Chex, and 3/4 cup of mini-M&Ms. I also used a 9x13 baking dish, some cooking spray, a large mixing bowl, and a spatula. Okay, let's make some candy. Spray the baking dish with cooking spray and set it aside. Add the butter to the mixing bowl and microwave it on high for about 30 seconds or until melted. Add the marshmallows to the bowl and coat them in butter. Back in the microwave for 1 to 1.5 minutes, stirring halfway through. When the marshmallows are completely melted, add the cereal. Stir to coat everything evenly. Fold in the mini M&Ms. Press the mixture evenly and firmly into the prepared baking dish. Refrigerate the mixture for about 15 minutes or so, then cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte. This is quite good, especially for being so simple. Similar to a Rice Krispie treat, but each of the cereals has its own flavor and sweetness. The rice is mild, the corn a little stronger, and the wheat adds a kind of dark sweetness that's really surprising. And I'm glad I added the M&Ms. That little kick of chocolate makes a big difference. If you like Rice Krispie treats but want to mix things up a little bit, you really ought to try these.